and they all at some point seem to just really connect one-on-one with each other, and I thought that was really neat. So let's see. Autumn, come on over. Good job. And so Autumn is bridging to Brownie, and I'm going to pin this. The star with the blue disc signifies the first year of daisies. You stand right over there.
Oops.
All right, Abby. You know, you can leave that vest on. Just turn around. Just go right over the top. There you go. And we'll pin your. Abby. You're welcome. Claire. There you go, and we'll turn this on. Alright. Reagan. Alright, and Miss Sylvia, thank you for waiting so patiently. There you go. I know it's an interesting bridge, isn't it?
Yeah, because it's the table.
Because it's the table.
Ooh, I got a pedal.
But the bridge is a symbol of moving into the next level,
Put one.
whether it's moving up to Brownies or moving into their second year of daisies.
So I almost have a full
Yep, right there.
one.
All right. All right. So we'll just eat, and I think these girls.
Oh.
I really enjoyed being their leader, and Yumi will take over next year with this group. And Autumn and Abby are moving into Troop 78. But Autumn told me earlier today that she'll really look forward to the service unit events where all the troops are there together, because she says she'll miss the rest of her troops. So I know they've made wonderful connections. So thank you all girls for.
Yay! Woo!